Hi, this is Abby Jamison, and this is my professional philosophy. In the beginning of class, I identified integrity, diligence, excellence, and accountability as my top values as a professional. Now, near the end, I would remove accountability because while I still think it is important, it is probably not core values important. I would, however, add prudence. If you type into a search engine the word integrity, you will get all sorts of various definitions. But the one I mean when I speak of integrity as a core or professional value is one who follows their moral or ethical convictions, even when it is not the easiest or most popular choice, even when no one is watching you. Someone once told me that integrity is still using your blinker even when no one else is on the road. To live and work and speak with integrity means to be honest, to be true to yourself, to be true to your word. It engenders trust and confidence. It denotes competence, working diligently to make certain knowledge and abilities are kept to a high standard. It allows your clients, your boss, your co-workers, and your companions to know that when you take on an assignment, that it will be of the utmost best quality possible. My second professional value is that of diligence, defined as carefully and persistently, thoroughly, and well done. When I was young, maybe 8 or so, my mom wrote a Bible verse in my yearbook. Study to show thyself approved, a workman that need not be ashamed. That verse has guided me every step through the remainder of my elementary years until now. As an IO psychologist, to the best of my ability, through proper training and study, I will try to diligently handle each assignment. I am and I will be persistent in my pursuit of perfection. In everything, I make a concerted effort to do it carefully, thoroughly, and to submit my best material each and every time. My third value is closely related, that of excellence. Excellence denotes outstanding quality. As an IO psychologist, I want to be known as a consultant or researcher or employee who produces excellent work. Again, this comes through proper training, through seeking knowledge, through being diligent and demanding of myself that I pour my heart and soul into every project. Lastly, I chose prudence as a final professional core value. Prudence is defined as wisdom, judgment, specifically good judgment, judiciousness, and advisability. As IO psychologists or consultants, we will be called on time and time again to make recommendations or decisions, sometimes quickly, and almost always decisions that will affect others' lives. We must learn to do so with wisdom, not always the easiest or quickest decision, but what is the best overall. What is the most judicious response? What is fair? We must be able to be relied upon for our judgment and advice. Otherwise, we would be pretty poor consultants. In summary, my professional values denote excellence. I will strive to be honest, to make the correct decisions, even the hard ones, to maintain or exceed a level of competence in training, knowledge, by diligently seeking and producing the best quality work I am able, and by giving wise and fair advice and recommendations. I will treat my capstone project the same as a paid work or graded school project. I did not choose the easiest or quickest project. I chose one that would force me to rely on several classes and on past experiences. I chose one that will force me to do due diligence in training and in research. I will work honestly and diligently, carefully and persistently until the final project is of excellent quality and one that from my initial recommendations the client can use to make prudent decisions in the future, especially in selection. Thank you.